Replacement Windows Manassas, Virginia, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of options available, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and double-hung windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Manassas Window Installation Services offer expert guidance and professional fitting to ensure a seamless process. Energy-efficient windows in Manassas are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Manassas window experts can provide a comprehensive window assessment to determine the best energy-efficient solutions for your home. Vinyl windows are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners in Manassas, Virginia. Known for their low maintenance and long-lasting performance, vinyl window replacement in Manassas is a smart investment. With a variety of styles and colors available, vinyl windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any home. Double-hung windows in Manassas offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for many homeowners. Manassas window contractors can help you select the perfect double-hung windows to complement your home's design. Replacement Windows Manassas is an essential service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Manassas window repair experts are skilled in addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. Prompt window repair can prevent further damage and extend the life of your windows. Custom windows in Manassas, Virginia, allow homeowners to create a unique look tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a specific shape, size, or style, custom windows can be designed to match your vision. Manassas window design experts can guide you through the process of creating the perfect custom windows for your home. Bay windows are a stunning addition to any home, providing extra space and natural light. Manassas Bay Window Installation Services can help you choose the right bay window design to enhance your home's curb appeal. With professional installation, you can enjoy the beauty and functionality of bay windows for years to come. Casement windows in Manassas, VA, offer a sleek and modern look with excellent ventilation capabilities. These windows are hinged on the side and open outward, allowing for maximum airflow. Manassas window contractors can assist you in selecting and installing the perfect casement windows for your home. Replacement Windows Manassas are experienced professionals who can handle all aspects of window installation and repair. From initial consultation to final fitting, these experts ensure that your windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Trustworthy window contractors in Manassas provide peace of mind and quality service. Home window services in Manassas cover a wide range of needs, from installation and repair to maintenance and consultation. Whether you're upgrading your windows or need a quick repair, Manassas Home Window Services offer reliable solutions to keep your windows.